Hello, welcome to Textile Courses Online. In this video, we will see how to subscribe or enroll for a course. First of all, you need to log into the system using your credentials. Once you have logged in, it will take you to the home page of the website. Further down below on the website, you will be able to see different courses being offered on the web. However, if you want to search for all the courses which are being offered, you can go to textile courses and you can further search for the particular category which you are looking for, or you can even search for all the courses here. Let's say we have all these courses mentioned here. Now we want to do or want to perform this course or enroll for this course, SMED quick style change. So we will click on that. After clicking on the course, it will ask us to enroll for this. Now, as this course is free, we will be able to enroll for this immediately. Or otherwise, if the course is chargeable, when you click on get enrolled, it will take you to the payments page. Let's say here we are going to enroll for this. We will click on get enrolled. Now we have enrolled for this course, so we can directly go and start lessons, or we can check the details of this course. Again, when I click on details of this course, I am being shown the exact details about what different things are being offered in this course. Now, if I want to enroll for some other course, again, I'll go to courses. Let's say all courses. I want to enroll for this particular course, textile industry fabric inspection. I'll click on it. Now, as this course is chargeable, you will have two options: buy now or add to cart. Let's say I'm clicking on add to cart. When I click on add to cart, you can see the cart has been increased by 1 here and the course has been added to the cart. I will click on this cart. I'll go here. Now it is asking for a coupon code and displaying the summary as well for the courses which I have selected. If I have a coupon code, I can insert here. Otherwise, I'll check out. When I click on checkout, it will ask for the payment option. At present, we will be paying using Paytm gateway. So I click on Paytm. Now, when it shows Paytm, it does not mean you have to pay through Paytm account only. This is Paytm gateway. So you will be able to pay for this course using debit card, credit card, internet banking, UPI, whatever you have. When I click on Paytm, it will take me to the secure gateway website of Paytm. Now I have all the payment options available here. If I go and do the payment, I complete it, the course will be enrolled. Right now, I don't need to enroll as of the for you, as this is a demo video. I'll click on go back. But if I'll do the payment, it will be reflected here and course will be enrolled, and further it will be shown in my card and in my list of courses which I have enrolled for. Thank you.